How do I import references into EndNote? If you have ever wondered how to import references into EndNote, you are in the right place. This process is essential for managing your research sources effectively. Let's break it down step by step to make it easy for you. First, you need to prepare your EndNote library. Open EndNote on your computer and either create a new library or open an existing one. It helps to name your library clearly so you can keep your research organized. Next, you will want to export references from academic databases or online sources. When you find references in databases like PubMed or Web of Science, look for an export or download option. Most databases let you export citations in a format that EndNote can read, commonly as a Research Information Systems file or a direct EndNote export file. For instance, you might select the references you want and then choose options like Export, Save to EndNote, or Download Research Information Systems file. If prompted, select UTF-8 as the character encoding, which is a common choice. Once you have your reference file, it is time to import it into EndNote. Go to EndNote and follow these steps. Click on the File menu, select Import, and then choose File. Browse to find the downloaded file on your computer. Choose the appropriate import option, which is called an import filter, that matches the source of your references. For example, if you are importing from PubMed, select the PubMed National Library of Medicine import filter. If you are using a generic Research Information Systems file, choose Reference Manager, Research Information Systems. You will also need to decide how to handle duplicates, whether to ignore them, import all, or move duplicates to a separate group. Finally, click Import to add the references to your library. Import filters are important because they tell EndNote how to organize the data from your imported file into the correct fields like author, title, journal, and year. EndNote comes with many filters for popular databases, and you can download or customize filters if needed. Choosing the right filter ensures your references are formatted correctly and easy to use later. Some databases support direct export, which means clicking Export to EndNote sends references straight to your EndNote library without saving a file manually. This method is quicker but depends on the database and your browser settings. If direct export is not available, downloading the reference file and importing it manually works just as well. After importing, your references will usually appear in an unfiled or imported group. You can then organize them into custom groups or folders within EndNote to keep your research structured and accessible. Lastly, always check your imported references for accuracy and completeness. Sometimes small errors can occur during import that you can correct manually. Importing references saves time compared to typing citations manually and reduces errors in your bibliography. Learning to import references efficiently allows you to focus more on your research and writing rather than managing citations. By following these steps, you can quickly build a well-organized EndNote library, making referencing easier and supporting your study workflow effectively.